Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. Today we are going to explore and learn about turmeric. It is a spice which also has health benefits. And I received this document from Wikipedia, which I am going to reread to you. The rhizomes are used fresh or boiled in water and dried, after which they are grounded into deep orange-yellow powder, commonly used as a coloring and flavoring agent in many Asian cuisines, and flavoring agent in many special cuisines, especially curries, as well for dyeing. Characteristics imparted by the principal turmeric constituent, curcumin. Turmeric powder has a warm, bitter, black pepper-like flavor and earthy mustard-like aroma. Curcumin or turmeric, a bright yellow chemical produced by turmeric plant itself. It is approved as a food additive by the World Health Organization, Europe Parliament, and United States Food and Drug Administration. Although long used in Ayurvedic medicine, where it is also known as Haridra, there is no high-quality clinical evidence that consuming turmeric or curcumin is effective for treating any disease. But there are possible to treat some diseases also. I am an East Indian. We use a lot of turmeric in our cooking, and also few other ingredients, and even in Hindu faith religious ceremonies turmeric is used as well. And there are many other possibilities of turmeric is being used, like Indian ladies in the ancient days, they used turmeric for not for coloring of their skin, especially to wash themselves with turmeric after their shower. It's been done like once a week or twice a week. It gives some medicine values to the skin as well. And also you can use it for treating some other treatments for diseases and sicknesses as well. Like for those who have chickenpox or mumps, which is also treated by using turmeric. Patient will be showered with neem leaves and turmeric. And you can use it in cooking before, and it's also an antibacterial and as an anti-inflammation medication. So these are the very important spice that Asians use in Asia, and now it has been quite popular throughout the world. So this is about the turmeric that you see, and you can get also turmeric in different forms. You can get them as a powder, dried turmeric root, and also fresh turmeric, which has two kinds. One is the orangey color, another one is white, and both looks like ginger. It sounds like a ginger, but it's not a ginger. That is all, my dear viewers. Today we have learned about turmeric. I hope this video has been knowledgeable about the turmeric spice that I used to use in my cooking, which I also share with you the knowledge. Thank you very much for viewing this video. Until then, we will see each other in our next video. Till then, bye-bye.